Assembling the jack mount for your IBEX. Lay out the provided parts. Slide 2 T-nuts into the lower T-channel. Slide 2 more nuts into the lower T-channel closer to the front of the bed. Use a 5mm hex key to fasten jack mounts to T-nuts using 2 flat head bolts per mount. Measure the distance between each mount to ensure the jack will sit properly. Tighten bolts. Thread knobs through the steel bar on the jack. And don't forget, this accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.